Hello guys, welcome to the MongoDB tutorial playlist. In the last video we have seen the basic CRUD operations. In this video we will see some more CRUD operations. So the first operation is insert operation. So in the last video we inserted only one record in the collection. Now let's insert multiple records into the collection. Dot subscriber dot insert many. So in the first field name ABC, comma, age 12, and name EFG, comma, age 15, close the bracket. So you have to specify these records in the array. As you can see, we inserted two objects. Acknowledge true. Let's display these records. Dot find. You can see two records are created. So this is how we insert multiple records at a time. Now let's see one more insertion. Let's say Sai, age is 45. Let's see Ram, age 15, as well as let's add one more field, phone number 2345789. You can see again two objects are inserted. Let's see. Now we have four records. One is ABC, EFG, Sai, and Ram. As you can see, we have added a phone number field also. So you can easily add you don't need to create any schema for this kind of databases. In the MongoDB we don't create schemas. So at any time you can add any extra field whenever you want. So that's the specialty of this MongoDB. Next we will see some more operations like update, finding, deletion, etc. I'm creating one more collections, cars collections. If you want, you can create it on your own. Otherwise, go ahead and click the PDF link in the description. You can access to these presentations. You can copy it from there. As you can see, I'm creating the cars collection. You can notice that I'm not creating, I'm not doing like a db.create collection, then open brackets cars. I'm not doing like that. Directly you can create these collections at the time of inserting. So right now I'm doing that. I inserted 3 documents in 3 records. Now let's do the find operations. Find operation. The first one is specify condition using query operators. Let's say db dot cars dot find all. You can see 3 records are there: Mercedes, Benz, Toyota, Honda. Let's say I want the records which are produced, manufactured in the year 2019 and 2021. Let's write the operation, let's write the command for that. db dot cars dot find. First one is year, then again open brackets. Now here you used to operate, you need to use these commands. Dot in 2019, comma 2021. As you can see, this command is equal to select all from cars where manufactured year in 2019 and 2021. You can see 2 records are filtered. One is Toyota and another one is Honda, which are both are manufactured in 2019. That's the conditional operator. Let's see one more, let's see two more operations, like one with AND operator as well as one with OR operator. Now let's say I want the cars which are manufactured in 2019 as well as fuel efficiency greater than or equal to 27. Let's write for that. Cars.find year 2019 as well as fuel efficiency dollar greater than or equal to 27. You see, we are taking two conditions. One is year 2019 and the second one is fuel efficiency. It must be greater than or equal to 27. You can say only one record is there with satisfying these conditions. That is Toyota, manufactured in 2019, and the fuel efficiency is 28. Now let's say I want cars from the year 2019 and fuel efficiency must be greater than 27, or the car is manufactured by the Honda company, made by the Honda company. Let's write the query for that. db.cars.find let's say year 2019. Now you have to use OR operator, because the year 2019 I need, and some other conditions also I have to add, that is fuel efficiency or car made by the Honda company. These two conditions I have to put it in the OR. The first one, the result from that we have to merge with AND operator. Or an array, because we are taking two operations in the OR, two checkings. One is fuel efficiency greater than 27 and made by the Honda company. You can see db.cars.find in the year 2019 and fuel efficiency greater than or equal to 27 or made by the Honda company. Let's see, here two records are there. So both are made in 2000, manufactured in 2019. And coming to the second part, fuel efficiency, one is greater than 27 and the other one is not, but the car the car was made by the Honda company, so that record also get produced. Now let's see last two operations. One is UpdateMany operation and DeleteMany operation. Let's update multiple cars at a time. db.cars.updateMany. Let's say I want to update cars which are manufactured in 2019, and I want to set fuel efficiency greater than 32. for those cars manufactured in 2019. Let's say year 2019, comma, set fuel efficiency 32. So let's check whether it is reflected or not. db dot cars dot find, can give the empty parenthesis in the find operation. So you can see manufactured in 2019, to there are two cars which are updated, fuel efficiency to 32. That is the update many operation. Now let's delete many, or let's try out the delete many operation. db dot cars dot delete many. Year 2019. And say only one record is left. The other two records are deleted. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.